I'm going to show you how to remove them from the cage and train them for them to go by themselves into the cage instead of you taking them and putting them in it. It will be a lot easier to take out your budgies if you train them properly with good food and show your kindness and let them think that your hand is the best perch they can find. Make them used to people, and you need to take them out in your room for them to exercise in a day. You have to open the cage first and take one of your budgie. Start from a closed place like this. They start to go in the cage. Then slowly take your budgie far away from the cage. Look. He went right in the cage because he knows it's his home and he needs to go in there. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get new updates of my pet bird.